This brick building vase is perfect for your brick flowers. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this brick building vase. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This vase is so stinking cute. Is it vase or vase? I always call it a vase. Jamie put this together for me to put my brick roses in. This vase is big enough to fit many of the Lego brick flowers as well. As you can see here, it comes with pretty clear instructions. Jamie just followed along the instructions and got this put together in no time. We found it to be easy if you separate out all the little pieces, making it easier to find what you need as you assemble this. That did speed the process up a little bit. This has a really nice wide base on it, which gives it a lot of stability when you put your flowers into it. And I love the sheen that this has. I feel like it makes it look really, really elegant. I also love the little pink flowers around the top and the bottom. That was pretty cool looking. We grabbed our brick building roses and they fit inside this perfectly. Now I do want to say the brick roses that I have are not the Lego brand, but the Lego brand should fit in here without any issues. I actually feel like I could get a second set of my roses and put them in here as well. This is a great gift for anyone who collects the brick building flower sets. It's a great way to display them, and the bonus is you don't have to water these flowers. If you're looking for a fun brick building vase for your brick flowers, we recommend this.